at the vertices something interesting will happen. Yeah, maybe. I think I will finish there for today, but I was going to say that one thing I'm very interested in is for each sensor model, what can we compute about the preimages, right? And what does that reveal? I think it's an interesting computational geometry kind of question. I would love to have a, what do you call it, like an open discussion session or a brainstorming session about that, if anyone would like that. I think it'd be fun. All right, so thank you. That's it for today. Oh, and I'll take more questions.
Like the map a blind person makes with the environment, it's a very simple sensor that you just punch in the environment.
Yeah, very neat. That's right. If you're thinking like a blind person, then you're thinking like a robot in some sense too, because the robots are quite blind, and then you think about what they feel like. So that seems nice. Yeah. Who is? Okay, I don't know that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, if you're not careful, some of these things could, you want to avoid the uglies of real algebraic geometry, I guess, right? And so there's nonlinearities in there. So, but it's still only three-dimensional, so it's not too bad. Maybe it's doable. In fact, this is probably related to motion planning for a line segment robot. I bet those events that people found a long time ago from there are related here. And that didn't turn out to be too bad. Oh, very nice. So if you take the visibility graph and look, so maybe that's the longest edge of the visibility graph. Do people buy that? Is that the highest value of y for which this pre-image is not empty? That's how we would say it. Yeah, that might be right. The what? Sorry, the edges of the visibility. Yeah, that's right. It may get, because so one thing you might argue is that the maximum value cannot. It's clear. It's clear. Well, that's right. Could the maximum value be somewhere like this? Right? And you want to argue that it has to be from vertex to vertex, I guess, right? Yeah, so that's the first argument to make, I guess, that it should be from vertex to vertex. And if that's the case, then the visibility graph, the longest edge, will get it for us, right? Yeah. So maybe you have to argue that any other, yeah, any length like this, there's going to be a longer one that goes from vertex to vertex, right? That may be the thing you have to argue. Not very nice. I think it's fun to think about. Any other questions? All right, well, thanks. I'll be happy to talk with anyone later today and of course, as the course goes on. Thank you.